Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today. It was a great virtual STEM fair event and I had a wonderful time organizing the event. Our guest speaker, Professor Mike Ellis, delivered a wonderful inspirational message today. The following topics were also presented by our amazing enthusiastic presenters. Varnika presented about augmented reality, Dipikkasri presented about an overview of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science, Arjun presented about how artificial intelligence and robotics work together. Varshit presented about how electric motors work. Akhil presented about the science of DNA, and Shreepaad presented about 3D printing. Thank you to all the presenters for presenting. You guys made it a grand success. Also, the presenters from both the first and second STEM fairs wrote kind messages on the Kudo board virtual thank you card for the healthcare teams who are on the front line during this pandemic. Thank you to those who wrote a message. We had around 60 viewers in Zoom and 15 viewers in YouTube Live. That was great. Thanks to everyone who watched the event live, and if you want to either rewatch a section of the event or if you want to share it with your friends, you can find a link of the whole event recording in the video description. I am very certain that this YouTube event video will inspire many students across the globe to explore STEM topics and to present. Check out my website stemfairs.com for additional information and to sign up as an audience member or as a presenter for future events. You can find more details once again at stemfairs.com. Once again, thank you to the presenters and to all the audience members for watching, and I hope I see you all in future events. Thanks for watching!